Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. New week, new chances. You know, expect crazy pumpage for altcoins. Actually, as we speak, dominance is dropping. I just posted a setup for Ethereum. Ethereum is breaking out, so it's happening actually as we speak. So, guys, the thing is, I'm expecting a bearish week for BTC based on the technicals, but it doesn't mean that BTC will be bearish, right? I can be wrong. And the positive thing is dominance is dropping. So if BTC pumps, there's a possibility that we decouple from altcoins. In this case, Ethereum. Ethereum will be leading actually. But if BTC pumps, it will also let altcoin pumps, right? So it doesn't matter if BTC decouples and dumps or if BTC pumps, we will pump for sure actually. So I don't want to speak too much. I want to show you guys on the chart what's happening. Ethereum is breaking out. I just posted this long setup. I'm expecting an 11% pump for Ethereum till Fibonacci retracement 100 extension. I don't know exactly, but let's just check the chart. So with that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and let me clean this chart here because there's a lot of things to see here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. What can we see on the 1 hour time frame? We go to the daily. Actually, let's go to the daily. No, it's not the daily. What you see is we had this CME gap, we filled it, so now we bounced up again, right? So that's something positive. If you go to the 8 hour, you can literally see here that we bounced on the 618, right? So let me get rid of this Fibonacci extensions. So what you can see actually is a bounce on the 618 here. So the crucial level actually BTC needs to break to remain bearish is this 786 here, and we literally broke right through it. So that means that you're bullish again. There's one level we need to break, 120.8k, to remain bullish. If we reject here, come for sell side liquidity, there's a possibility that we come to the 786 on the 8 hour time frame, or the 618, 170.3. But there's a possibility that we snap right up, right? So that's a quick TA on BTC. We need to break 121k to remain bullish actually. So let's go to Ethereum. What you can see, Ethereum is breaking out. So what I posted on my X profile this morning is right before the breakout is that you see that we SR flipped this 1 hour candle actually. So if you go back to the trading view, so what you can see here is that we had this 1 hour candle close here. So I pulled a horizontal line. So what you can see is that BTC retraced it, SR flipped it, and now it's flying up. So what I'm expecting for Ethereum now at the moment is just to break out, because if you go to the daily time frame, there's no resistance anymore, right? So we have only this zero line here. Sell side liquidity is here. So we can expect a snap up actually. I'm aiming for Fibonacci extension minus 100% to take profits actually. That's a little bit it. So when we go back to dominance, you can see that dominance starts dropping now on the 15-minute. And what you actually want to see is that dominance comes at the same level as here, right? We had this shark fin here, so you saw a crazy upside. So BTC became dominant again. But now we have to just see the coming week that dominance goes down more like this, right? It's a little bit of a quick update because I see something happening, during Asia time now. So that's what they do actually. They pump the market when New York sleeps. So that's why Asia time on Mondays are very important. But there's a possibility that BTC comes to the 786 to see more downside actually, to come for sell side liquidity. So don't get tricked. We need a decoupling alts from BTC, and we need a dominance dropping to let Ethereum make this pump actually. You know, it's very difficult. There are a lot of things that can influence this plan actually, but you know, the thing is we broke out here. We as I flipped this 1 hour candle, so you can expect some upside now. We have this zero line here with sell side liquidity above it. So let's draw sell side liquidity. So there's a possibility that we will see a rejection here to come down, to retrace a new 786 on the 4 hour time frame, and the first retracement should be somewhere here at 3891. So guys, you know, this is a good opportunity to go long. You know, if we wait for retracement, it doesn't matter, you're still in the gains because you have strong support here. So you know, long positions on ETH, now it's the time. You know, SUI, yesterday we made crazy gains on SUI. We entered here and we closed here, or excuse me, I entered here and we closed here. So if you go to my X profile, you can literally see that I posted this entry here and that we entered at 4.1713, and I entered at 4.1737, and we closed with 757%. So guys, if you want to level up your trading, if you want to make crazy gains, you know, follow me on X, go to the links in the description, join the crypto gainers. It's all for free, you know, don't miss out these gains. In the morning we also made 445% on the same gain. Actually, we entered here and we closed here. So guys, you know, just follow me on X and join the crypto gainers to make crazy gains. So for now guys, just wait. You know, SUI looks a little bit bearish now at the moment, but Ethereum looks super bullish, and keep an eye on dominance. We need to keep dropping. You know, there's a possibility that you can see that the RSI becomes bullish now. So once dominance starts dropping and comes to the same level as it was before, then you create the shark fin and then you go up again, right? So this also shows you potential weakness for BTC coming in actually, because if BTC starts dropping here, dominance goes up again. So that's a little bit the tricky part. Keep an eye on dominance. Once we break this level here and this bullish divergence on the RSI is not valid anymore, then it's go time actually. But for now, just wait, be patient. False move Monday, you know, Mondays are famous about, or well known about, fake outs. So that's a little bit the thing, guys. Don't chase green candles, be patient, wait for retracements. Ethereum looks bullish, you can go long here. If you want to go long on Ethereum, go to Maxi. You can trade 0 fees and you can get a lot of bonuses when you use my link, right? So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. You know, quick update on BTC, stay tuned. I will post new videos the coming days, but for now, just be patient. Don't chase green candles, wait for confirmation, wait for retracement. Follow me on X and join the crypto gainers. So guys, thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.